What is up, guys? Savage Gamers here. Got a new headset. Sage gaming headset SA-807. I'm going to do an unboxing of this. I don't know if you guys ever had one like this. It looks really nice. I like the glossiness. It's blue and black, my favorite colors. Wow. Music, game, it's got stereo, it's got noise cancellation, soft ear pads. We'll see how soft they really are. Wow. It's got a volume control with extra mic muted function. That's cool. Well, at least they got all the languages on there. We're looking for English. But if everybody else can speak a different language, there you go. You got England, English, Japan, Spanish, and German. Or French. I don't remember. That's awesome. Alright, well, let's get into this thing. If you haven't already, please drop a like and leave a comment if you've ever seen this brand before, because I've never seen this brand before. This is new to me. Alright, I'll see you in the next clip. What up, guys? Hope you have a better angle here. Well, let's get right into this. Oh, look at that. Bubble paper. Who else likes bubble paper? I guess that's it in the box, huh? Move the box. Let's see what it comes with. Oh, obviously it's going to come with the headset. It says it's flexible, so let's find out if it's flexible. Ooh. The cable looks nice. Gotta love that salt. Wow, it is flexible. Look at that. That's cool. Wow, this is nice looking. Really nice. I'm going to pull you guys down to come to look at it in a second. Sorry for all that noise. Wow, look at the cable on that. That is nice. Alright, I'm going to pull you guys down now. Look at that. That is so nice. I love the blue. I guess this is your volume control. And this is to mute the mic on and off. Nice. And here's the mic. Well, that's what the headset looks like. It's really nice. Don't get me wrong. I'm going to test it out later. I'll give you guys a review on that. It is really beautiful. Even on the inside. Oh yeah, she's going to sound nice. It's got the 3 little lines on it too. It comes with an extension piece, so I guess for the PC. Because if you want to use it for the PC. Because this one's the mic and this one's the headset for the sound, so this is for PC if you want to use it for a PC, so it comes with that. But I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see the review, please leave a like on this video, and I will put up a review. See you guys in the next video.